Welcome back everyone. Today we are changing the cabin air filter on my 2020 Ford Escape. Open your glove box. On the right side you see this little plastic lever. We gotta move that to the right side, so you remove it from the plug. You can use a screwdriver to or pliers to remove it. I didn't break it, so you should be okay with that one. Now press on the little plastic tab and your glove box swings down, and just leave it hanging there. Next we gotta remove two little screws, one left, one right. Now we gotta remove that plastic cover. I think we gotta bend the tabs on the left and right side a little bit out carefully. Let's see how that works out for us. I should not have done that in a cold garage middle in the winter, because I broke off the tabs and then I broke off this whole cover. It should just bend out of the way after removing the two screws. Now it's broken. Well, we will see. I hope I get it back on. Someone told me when I removed that filter I have to remember the airflow, but actually it's marked on the housing, on the filter housing, so we should be okay. However, it's downward. Air flows from the top to the bottom. So here you see the arrows. It shows you the airflow goes towards the bottom. Just stick it in and good to go. Now I'm screwing the cover back on. Remember, your cover should just stay on there. Just, bend over. Not totally break off like mine did. I put my two screws back in and hope everything works out. No movement or any rattling noise, so seems like I got lucky. Remember, make sure you don't do that in the winter when everything is cold, or at least heat it up so you don't break the plastic tabs off. Now we snap that lever back in and close the glove box, and we have fresh air.